Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and click on security section after scrolling down. Then click on face unlock after scrolling down again and enter your current login method. Then you need to read all of those instructions. Choose start at the bottom right corner and keep your face in frame. After that, select done at the bottom right corner and manage all of those face unlock options however you wish to. Then click on home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I will try again. I can see that face unlock is working. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!